Good morning students, welcome in maths lecture. Let's continue with practice set 28 with of question number 2. See, there are 9 sums in question number 2. I am taking 4 of them. First I am taking first one, 25 beads, 40 beads. As I told, you have to read question first properly. Question is ratio of first quantity to second quantity. What is our first quantity? 25 and second quantity is 40. So ratio of first quantity to second. Right? Now first is 25, second is 40. Here which number can divide this 25 and 40 both? That number is 5. So 25 divided by 5 and 40 divided by 5. 25 is coming on 5th place and 40 is coming on 8th place. So your ratio is 5 upon 8 or 5 is to 8. Okay. Next one. $30 question number. Fourth question, 30 liters and 24 liters. Right? First quantity is 30 and second quantity is 24. Right? First quantity to second quantity. First quantity is 30. Second is 24. 30 and 24 is coming in one table. That table is 6. So divide by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24. Your answer is 5 is to 4. Okay. Now move to the next one. That is fifth one. Fifth one is 99 kg and 44,000 gram. Now, in this case, see, you can find out ratio of the number which are having same unit, right? Their unit should be same or measurement is in the same unit. Now see, here kg is written and here gram is written. So you have to convert this gram into kg or kg into gram anywhere. We will convert gram into kg and then find out the ratio. So 44,000 gram means what? 44 kg, right? Because as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, right? Understand? So for that reason your 44,000 become 44 kg. Now write first quantity to second quantity. Now what is your first quantity? 99. Second quantity is 44. Both number can divide by 11. So 99 divided by 11 and 44 divided by 11. 11 nines are 99 and 11 fours are 44. So your answer is 9:4. Okay. Next, ninth one, that is 125 centimeter and 1 meter. Ninth one is 125 centimeter and 1 meter. Okay. Now in this case you convert this 1 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So your second quantity become 100 and first quantity become 125. So write first quantity to second quantity. First quantity is 125, second quantity is 100. Now this both the number can be divided by one number and that number is 25. And for this reason you have to learn your table properly. Okay. So 125 upon 100 divided by 25. Here also divide by 25. 25 5s are 125 and 25 4s are 100. So your answer is 5:4. Okay. Understand? 5:4. Now I have taken 1, 4, 5 and 9th one. Same way you have to do other problem also. See, in the case of 7th one, there is two means paisa and rupee. 2 units are given. You have to convert this rupee in paisa and find out the ratio. In the case of third sum, that is minute and hour. In this case also you have to convert hour into minute and then find out the ratio. Same way you do for all 9 sum. Okay. Now move to the next one, that is third one. Rima has 24 notebooks. The next one is Rima has 24 notebooks and 18 books. Find out the ratio of notebook to book. Now see, number of notebook, how many? 24. And number of books, 18. Right? Now see what they said, ratio of notebook to books. The word or the quantity which mentioned first, that you have to write in numerator, and the second one you have to write in denominator. So notebook to book ratio we have to find out. Number of notebook is 24 and number of book is 18. Right? Now 24 and 18 are coming in one table. That table is 6. So 24 divided by 6 and 18 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24 and 6 3s are 18. So your ratio is 4:3. Understand? Now move to the next fourth one. 30 cricket players and 20 kho-kho players are training on field. What is the ratio of cricket player to the total number of players? Now see what they have asked. Number of cricket player they are given. What is the number of cricket player? Cricket players, and Kho players are 20. Understand? Now in a question they ask, we have to find out ratio of cricket player to the total number of player. Here we have to find out first how many total players are there. 30 plus 20, that is 50 players are there, right? Now it is easy to find out the ratio of cricket player to total number of player. Right? Now number of cricket player is 30 and number of total player is 50. Understand? Now see, 30 and 50 can divide by one number, that number is 10. So 30 divided by 10, 50 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30 and 10 5s are 50. So your ratio is 3:5. Understand? So this question number 2, 3 and 4 is your today's homework. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask me in my personal. Okay. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.